And if you're driving on one of the biggest weekends of the year, what will that mean for your budget?
We're talking about prices at the pump, which have been easing up a bit. Fox 44's Matt Holderman has a forecast before Memorial Day weekend.
Well, here at the Shell station just off exit 16 in Colchester, the price per gallon of $3.59 is a pretty good comparison when looking at the rest of Burlington. According to Gas Buddy, it's $3.64, and according to AAA, it is $3.66. Each of those prices are about 16 cents higher per gallon than this time last year, and taking things even a step further, they are 25 cents higher than a month ago. Luckily, there is some good news here, though. Officials told me that they think prices have really hit a plateau and might even go down a little bit more before Memorial Day weekend.
Prices were creeping up for a while, and though in Vermont we've seen the prices start to go down a little bit.
Industry experts say the recent spike in prices was caused by yearly maintenance work at oil refineries that slowed down production and the annual switch from winter blend to summer blend fuel, which was a bit more costly this year. But now that the switch has happened and the maintenance work is done, prices are expected to level out even if demand goes up.
This year, the difference between winter and summer gasoline and price was pretty significant, about 25 cents. And now that transition is over, gasoline supplies are starting to go up, or I should say the supplies of that summer blend are going up.
And gas demand will go up Memorial Day weekend. AAA is predicting 43.8 million people will travel between next Thursday and Memorial Day Monday, and 38 million of them will be by car, the highest amount in any year since AAA started tracking those numbers back in 2001. Even then, most gas stations already worked that expected rise in demand into their current prices, so the next big jump in cost likely won't come until hurricane season rolls around and threatens oil refineries down south.
And that's where we could start to see gas prices inch back up and a little more volatile in that September, October.
The real question mark is, will we get a hurricane in an area where we really would like to avoid that?
And DeHaan says another thing that should help cool off gas prices a bit more is high interest rates that we're seeing nationwide. And if that does indeed help, we could see even better prices for other big travel weekends this summer, like the 4th of July. For now, in Colchester, Matt Holderman, Fox 44 News.